Yeah, I'm excited for this. Catch! Whoa there, buddy! The scary thing about this road is that it's so skinny.
Are you good, bro? Are you okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Wow, that is blown out. There we go, there we go. A little bit of shade. I got the FRS behind me. We are headed up to North Carolina. Yeah, kind of weird. Long drive. We're going with Miller to the Snake. This was a last minute trip, guys. We literally planned this probably like 2 days ago. So yeah, kind of crazy. Got a 7-hour drive ahead of me. Not looking forward to that. But what I am looking forward to is some race car shit, okay, guys? And then, you know, the little walkie-talkies. But yeah, we did service to the car last night and the day before. Had some weird things going on, not gonna lie. I'll talk about that later in the video. But for now, I got a long drive ahead of me. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Miller's in 3, 2, 1. And we are here, boys. There he is. He's washing my car. How sweet. Yeah, we're going to rip ass and haul ass tomorrow. Oh, y'all see that sun flare? Ooh, the iPhone making the sun flare look dope, bro. I'm looking sexy. She's all squeaky clean, boys. And we're putting the fast ones on because these are the slow ones, but they look good. You got a ton of tread here. That makes me feel great about my tires.
They're brand new. I drove 45 minutes on the highway and was going up an off ramp and I was skating. I was like,
oh my God.
They're hard tires.
Boys, if you've never seen a Porsche, look at the lug bolts, they call them. Is that not the weirdest thing? Like, it's not a lug nut. They screw in to the hub. Kind of weird. I feel like you're an 87 kind of guy.
No, stop. By the way, guys, it's August 5th now. You won't probably see this till December, so.
Hey, don't be mean. We just got gas. We're ready for the road trip for tomorrow. Let me probably turn around to my face.
Am I ready for the road trip tomorrow? I mean, I haven't packed yet.
Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
We're gonna have a good day tomorrow. It's gonna be fun, and good night and big balls.
What you doing? Fun car stuff. I hear you. It is another morning in the beautiful state of North Crackalaca. Miller's tired. I didn't sleep pretty much at all because I have sleep apnea. What's the actual insomnia? That's what it is, insomnia. I'm self-diagnosed. Yesterday, tons of things happened. Very few vlogging was done. Today that changes. We're about to hit the twisties. Stay tuned because it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go fast, have fun, be safe, go the speed limit. Enjoy the montage, boys.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poise and rationality. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door now?
Oh, I messed it up.
I mean, technically our marriage is safe.
He's still going. That was beautiful. All right, boys, we're on some road. Earlier in the video, I was telling you guys that I had a weird problem with my brake caliper. So quick story time real quick before we get a ripping. So I had noticed when I was driving, when I would hit, you know, bumps, not really like long bumps, but more like small, like, you know, bumps in the road that were real like fast and compress the suspension real fast, that I noticed a clicking noise up there. I didn't know what it was for the longest time, and I just thought it was like coilover click or something with my, you know, control arms or something, just maybe a bushing. So I didn't really worry about it. This was when I was stock. Like it happened when I was completely stock, other than my other than my brake kit. So that was probably 9 months ago. Come to find out, I'll run my hand back along there. I had a damn caliper bolt missing, dude. Go ahead and show him. Guys, look, the bolt's missing. You could literally move the brake caliper. Like whenever I'd hit a bump, it would flip. Moral of the story is, if you do a brake kit on your car, make sure you tighten down your caliper bolts, because they're kind of important for stopping. Unless, of course, you want to go fast. Brakes only slow you down, baby. So happy to be back in the mountains, boys. I love this state. The state is awesome. Look at Miller using his blinker, being responsible. Damn, dude, I look down, we're hauling ass. Yeah, I fuck with this road. I like it. It's fast and like real smooth. It's fun. We're on top of a mountain right now, dude. Oh, just tap this. You guys can't see out the window, but we are on top of a damn mountain right now. I'm excited for this.
Probably make this segment, like, make sure you're recording because it's a lot. It's really pretty.
Holy crap, dude. This place is insane. Dude, these bridges are so fucking cool. Like that we're driving on there. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. The GoPro Super View better be working right now. Huh. Imagine having to manually lock your doors.
Hey, shut up.
You know what this reminds me of? I know it sounds weird.
What is this?
Especially like that over there. It reminds me of like a Lego set.
What?
I know it sounds weird. All the bridges in like perfect rock formations. I don't know. The bridges are my favorite part. Yeah, go for it. Oh, almost tripped. Almost tripped trying to film you. Oh, sick tricks. Look at this place, dude. It's insane. So beautiful. Look how fancy. You're so fancy. Hey, catch. Bye. Like I don't know how to describe it. It's so cool. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. No hands. Oh my God, the bridges, dude. The bridges are so cool to me. And I hate bridges. Hey, wave them like you just don't care, dog. Wave them. Yeah, yeah.
It has race brakes, apparently.
Hey, I think it's a Miata behind me, dude. Like pushing a corner?
Right then.
This is Toge at its finest. It looks sketchy. The scary thing about this road is that it's so skinny.
Well, I like the Snake and like 194 better and stuff. This is just a tight back road.
I love the sound bouncing off the mountain walls though. It's so great.
So put my hands up, playing my song, I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. Turn your pretty lights on, bud. I look back and I see Vince's nice lights, Colin's nice lights. You're the only one without your nice lights on.
Happy now, bitch?
Yes, because because I don't have any night flight lights, and y'all should enjoy them while you have them. This is such a weird road for my gearing because I'm at the top of second, like mid-third. It sucks.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. We literally have like the same gearing.
Did he just go off the road?
Well, boys, my brakes went brick and I'm in a tree.
Are you good, bro? Are you okay?
But yeah, I'm straight. I went in like mad slow.
Is your front end good or no?
Oh, I have no idea. I just climbed over the top of the car.
Oh my god, bro.
Are you good? Like you're not?
Yeah. No, I'm totally fine. Totally fine. Literally, airbags didn't even
Airbags didn't go off?
Nah, bro. Like, I slid in like mad smooth. I was just like,
Did you watch it happen?
What a yeah, I got it all on video, dude. I was right behind him.
way.
I was right behind him.
I didn't see him. I saw like the dust. And then I saw you.
Yeah, I saw the dust and I was like, what happened?
Yeah.
I know it fucking sucks, but you're okay.
Oh yeah, no.
Airbags didn't go off, and we got it on video.
That's the video.
You fucking greased this thing.
I was about to say,
Greased this thing though.
he drifted all the way into it. Dude, if you would hit that fucking tree right here,
Oh, your front end would have been done.
game over.
Oh yeah, front end would have been toast, but
You just went in the bushes.
Bro.
Coming in hot. Let's go.
parallel parking spot.
Slightly impressed. Whose car is this? That guy. Remind me not to ride with you. We have all these nice souped up cars, and this dude's hauling ass in a Honda Civic, dude.
Oh yeah, that'll bump out.
Oh yeah.
You drive that sucker home.
Oh yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
Turn your wheel straight.
There we go.
Be good. Oh.
20. Almost.
Actually, bro,
You're good. She's bent a little
For
bit.
what you've done, I'm
Yeah.
very impressed.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right. It's time for the next road.
Well, boys, y'all drive safe home.
Oh yeah, definitely gonna be
I don't know about that. She felt pretty good.
There she goes, boys. Driving away. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna pick this up tomorrow for round 2. We're going to the Snake tomorrow, so that should be fun. A lot safer of a road than this, so that'll be make us all feel a little bit better. We're going to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video because you know, shit happens. See you guys next time.